Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video, a question is that find f inverse x. If the function is given, f of x is equals to negative 2x plus 8. So for the simplification of this question, given function is f of x, and f of x is equals to negative 2x plus 8. Now the question is that find f inverse x. So here, as we know, y is equals to f of x. This is a mathematical representation of a function y equal to f of x. So here y is equals to negative 2 times x plus 8. So you can see here y as a subject in this statement, y as a subject. So here we have to find the value of x as a subject. So we can write it in the form of y plus 2x equals to 8, and by shifting y to the right hand side, we have 2x equals to 8 minus y. Now dividing by 2. Now dividing by 2 on both sides. So we have 2x by 2 equals to 8 minus y by 2. So after cancellation, we have x as a subject, and here 8 minus y by 2. Now this is a statement number 1. Okay, here as we know, y is a f of x, and now taking inverse on both sides, taking f inverse on both sides. So here f inverse y is equals to f inverse of f of x. So this gives x, and here f inverse y. Now by putting this value of x in equation number 1, so by putting this value of x in equation number 1, so equation number 1 becomes as f inverse y is equals to 8 minus y by 2. Now by replacing y with x, so we have f inverse x is equals to 8 minus x by 2. So I hope this video is very interesting for you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much.